Welcome to the latest edition of Career Videos by the Knowledge Academy. Our today's video is about the ITIL problem management, part 1. But before moving on to this session, if you like what you're about to see, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon next to it, so that you would never miss out on any of the informative content that we put out. So without further ado, let's take a look at the agenda for this video. Initially, we'll go through the introduction, and then we will see the various different types, after which we will see the roles and responsibilities, and then finally the various benefits. Introduction. First, let us understand what is ITIL. The ITIL stands for the Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It is a set of comprehensive practices for IT, which is information technology activities such as IT asset management and IT service management to fulfill the needs of the businesses. The ITIL problem management is an effective method for managing the whole series of changes for all problems inside of an organization. The main objective of ITIL is to prevent the IT issues from happening and minimize the effect of those incidents. ITIL seeks to identify viable remedies for the situations by asking, what caused this incident? However, the task of the problem management does not merely stop at identifying and resolving problems. It instead tries to identify and comprehend the underlying factors of the incident, and then employs the finest strategy to clear such incidents. A problem is defined by the ITIL as a cause or a cause that may result in several incidents. Let us get a hang of some of these related terms. Incident. Any circumstance that results in the temporary suspension or permanent loss of an IT service is referred to as an incident. Problem. A problem is a fundamental cause triggering a single or series of incidents. The root cause. Root cause is the original cause of a problem or an incident. Such root causes are what problem management and ITIL attempts to find and resolve. Error. A minor flaw or any problem in a design that could affect the end user experience is referred to as an error. Understanding a problem requires understanding of ITIL's definition of an incident. Hence, it indicates that a problem is the cause of a single or multiple incidents. Any repeated interference or obstruction in the service can be due to an underlying problem. By identifying and fixing a problem, you can prevent or avoid similar service interruptions in the future. Various types. Organizations can benefit from the ITIL problem management process in two ways. The proactive problem management, which is a prevention of incidents from recurring, and the reactive problem management, where it helps you fix repetitive incidents and reduce the negative impact on performance. Proactive problem management. The task of the proactive problem management process is to identify risks and prevent any potential future incidents from occurring in your organization. Proactive problem management, according to the ITIL, is concerned with locating and resolving problems and acknowledging errors before more incidents connected to them may happen. The proactive approach is driven by consistent developments and enhancements in solving the problem. The proactive team investigates and identifies risks lurking around the organization instead of waiting for the problems or incidents to occur. Any errors or warning signs that could trigger or start the major problems are flagged and rectified immediately to avoid any impact on your business. Instead of solving issues, proactive problem management stops occurrences from happening again. As a result, the proactive issue solving might be challenging. If you spend too much time attempting to repress problems from happening in the future, you can wind up messing up with the resources availability, risk mitigation, capacity management, and change management. Hence, it is necessary to do a cost-benefits analysis of the proactive problem management procedure. For instance, The security warnings identified in your business software could lead you to identify more incidents. By keeping your software updated and fixing and identified threats, your security structure enhances and helps you minimize the incidents and problems in future. Reactive problem management. Reactive problem management acts only when the incident has already happened. It focuses more on resolving the process of the reactive problem management gets initiated when the incident occurs, demanding an underlying root cause inquiry. Your team identifies the underlying problem related to the incidents and then sets to resolve them at the earliest possible time. Further, with the results derived from the root cause analysis, the team investigates the incident to identify the underlying causes and tries to find your ways to fix the problem completely. Let us find out how these two ITIL problem management processes are different from one another. As we can see in the proactive problem management, it is concerned with locating and resolving problems and acknowledging errors before more incidents connected to them may happen. The proactive approach is driven by consistent developments and enhancements in solving the problem, whereas the reactive problem management acts only when the incident has already happened to resolve the problem. The process of reactive problem management gets initiated when incidents occur, demanding an underlying root cause inquiry. From this discussion, we can see both proactive and reactive problem management, although they seem different, but they are closely related to each other. We can say that both the management processes are the two sides of the same coin. When you fix a problem, as a problem is detected, that is reactive. And as a problem gets fixed, you make sure to avoid or prevent similar incidents from happening in the future. This is proactive problem management. This process is not authoritative in nature and can be customized to fit the needs of your services. Now, the roles and responsibilities. The roles and responsibilities of a problem management team are directly related to the organization's current structure. Factors such as the organization's age, culture, technology, and presence among the worldwide nations matter, and the effect of the formation and setup of the problem management team. Following the few responsibilities of a problem management. It should be aware of the organization's general process and strategies to form a strong team. Should be familiar with the organization's resources available or allotted for the problem management team. Acquire knowledge and maintain accountability towards the organization's growth and fall life scale. Own up to the responsibility to perform effectively and increase the efficiency of the entire team and the processes. Should be prepared to grow and mature along with the organization's development and evolution. Now comes the various benefits. Now, let us list out the benefits of the problem management. You will be prepared to tackle the anticipated attack incidents that might affect you in the future. Encourages improvement and prevents incidents. Can save your time as you're pre-prepared to act, react, and initiate countermeasures in case of an incident or an attack. Increases overall productivity and efficiently boosts the value of your organization. Maintaining stability and preventing incidents will enhance the quality and performance of the service provided. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Did this video inspire you to advance your career in IT service management? Then let our industry mentors guide you on your journey to becoming an IT service management professional. The Knowledge Academy is the world's largest training provider for courses such as ITIL4 Foundation, Certified IT Service Manager CITSM, and many more. Visit our website to get details about our courses. Get in touch with our consultants. Inquire now.